Hello everyone, and everyone is a lot more people than we usually have. It's been a bit of a surprise actually that we've suddenly got a thousand more subscribers. Thank you for coming. Um, we're not really YouTubers as such. We're not really pushing to make a show or entertain people, but we originally started this YouTube just to share snippets of our life with our friends and family back in England. So obviously they're not here, so it's just been a nice way for us to share our little corner of the world. And now we're sharing with more people, which is really nice. A little bit strange, but really nice. So thank you, and I hope you enjoy it here.
Oh, well, between the wind blowing all of the seed from this tree into the pool and the sun killing off all the chlorine in the pool, it's kind of gone a bit cloudy and green, so I've shocked it, I've put in some flocculant, and I'm fixing the skimmer. More pool maintenance. These are all the bits to the skimmer. I've taken it all apart and cleaned everything and ready to go. I also tied the inlet and the outlet pipes up because they were sagging and starting to wear away at the pool liner.
The mechanical is continuing. Canicule is the name that the French use for heatwave. I say continuing, it was a little bit better, wasn't it? And now
It was a little bit
it's
better, yeah.
incredibly severe. There's lots of restrictions everywhere. Oliver's camp's been cancelled. Any public gathering has been cancelled. No fêtes, no bacances, no drinking at public events, although most public events are cancelled. Obviously no fireworks or fires, and the French love doing fireworks for the festivals, but there's none.
Yep, nothing. You're not even allowed to walk in a forest.
Well, yeah, that's local to us, so that's not been on, because we're quite badly affected in the centre of France. And also some lakes are closing, so you can't swim in them because the bacteria levels are too high.
Because the water's too hot.
Yeah, and everything's like growing. There's loads of algae and weeds growing in the water. Really pretty, but not great for swimming.
Not great for swimming in, no.
And even fishing, which the boys like doing, and obviously because the concerns of water levels, they don't want any more fish dying, so fishing's banned. Has made us quite we're thinking quite a lot about how we're going to heat proof the house for the future, because I don't think this is going away. This is climate change in action, and we need to think about it seriously, because this is unbearable. We're all sleeping downstairs in the barn rooms because
it's like 5 degrees cooler down here than it is up in the bedrooms upstairs. So
so it's a bit better. So we haven't been doing a lot this week, apart from the normal doing the school holidays with hardly any places to go, and work. And,
work and
just doing
band practicing and work.
We're making the most of it. It's going,
Yeah, no, it's good. Yeah, it's really good.
It's been nice to not be tired. The heat makes everyone really tired. We're less grumpy this time though. I think the last one was a trial run, and we're
we're getting used to it now.
Getting used to the tiredness. Yeah, I don't think we're getting used to the heat. It's good. We'll get through, and hopefully, I think the temperatures are going down. This week there's meant to be some thunderstorms.
Yeah, they'll drop to about 30.
Yeah, so but that's bearable.
It's bearable.
Yeah,
Yeah, it'll be good.
Although, but in other news, we had people giving us money. You guys.
Yeah.
We need to actually thank you, because we don't do this for money. We just did it. Well, originally it's for being in contact with family and friends, and for maybe promoting the glamping side.
Yeah, we had a little, like we had buy me a coffee for the glamping, so that friends and family back in the UK could help us improve the site and things like that.
They never really did though.
Yeah,
although when they came over, they always helped.
They always helped. Yeah,
Yeah,
we always had like 1 or 2 people helping us out and being really great back in the UK, but it's all very new to us.
Yeah, we forgot about that button completely. And then these two people, Hiltrud Müller and Diane Briand, they sent us some money. And actually, when Dave told me that we got this money, I cried a little bit because we were heading into quite a hard month. Don't have and this has really helped, and we'll be able to get a few things done that we didn't think we'd be able to. So
yeah, some of the boys is always more expensive, and
they eat so much.
And yeah, and it's really like touched us and helped us out loads.
Yeah,
so thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Oh, don't have much else that's happened this week, do we? So hopefully we'll have time to update you next week.
Yeah.
Yeah, stay well everybody, especially if you're in this heat. Look after yourselves, and we'll speak to you soon.
And thank you so much for everyone who subscribed. I will try and commented and liked everything and watched all our old videos. It's amazing, and I will try and reply to everyone's comments as well. And
yeah, Dave does that. I'm too busy. But we might actually get microphone. Now that we will get microphones. It's not just people that know us. You might need to actually be able to hear what we're saying. Evening. The boys are just cooling off in the pool before they go to bed. They're crazy. Oh, what's that? I can hear somebody with a guitar, I think. There he is.
Please forgive me for saying all those things that I said. Won't you help me to exercise these demons in my bed? Won't you notice that I'm not as innocent as I seem? Just help me make myself fully redeemed. Whilst I go on this crazy ride, flying higher, with the devil by my side. Freedom is what it takes from me. Then darkness, as I crash down to my knees. I'm coming down to my knees. I'm going down. I'm coming down to my knees. Please forgive me whilst I beg and plead and lay down on the floor. Won't you help me sell my soul to the devil to get some more? Don't you notice I've got these demons breaking down my walls. Won't you help me? Or just drop your head and let me take them all. Whilst I go on that crazy ride, flying higher with the devil by my side. Freedom is what it takes from me. And then darkness, as I come down to my knees, I'm coming down to my knees. I'm going down, 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 down to my knees. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me whilst I beg and plead and lay down on the floor.